ba ay coffee lover or aesthetic hunter? Welcome to Lumi Cafe. Dito lang yan sa Makanay Street, Tukba, Alcobar. Tara, tikman natin.
Wow guys! First of all, ang ganda. Parang once you enter, biglang sasabihin ng buhay mo, oh, rich ako today. Super aesthetic ng place. Parang Pinterest board na nagiging totoong cafe. Perfect for Instagram, OOTD, at syempre, pang TikTok na rin. Now let's talk about the real reason why we're here. The coffee and the food. Ito ang loaded fries. Crispy fries na punong-puno ng cheese at special toppings, super sarap. Lumi Special Clubhouse, triple layer sandwich na loaded sa meat, cheese at signature sauce, busog level. Blue Lagoon Mojito, minty citrusy drink na super chill vibe. Pomegranate Mojito, sweet and tangy pomegranate flavor. Coffee latte, smooth at creamy coffee drink. Banana split classic dessert with banana ice cream and sweet toppings panalo. Follow the creamy dessert drink na may seeds, nuts, syrup at ice cream, super rich. Ito ang beef burger, juicy beef patty with cheese and sauce sa napakalambot na buns. Classic, favorite ko to. So ano pang hinihintay mga kakingkoy? Kung malapit lang kayo sa Tukba Alcobar, Makanay Street, masarap ang kape, sulit ang vibes. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Ilumi na yan! Napaka-friendly na staff at napakagaling pang gumagawa ng latte art. Ito na yon. Wow! Ang sarap!
So ito din mga kakingkoy, if you're looking for masarap na kape at sulit na vibes, dito na yon. Lumi Cafe, dito lang yan sa Makanay Street, Tukba, Alcobar.
So don't forget to like and share Kakingkoy Vlog. Hanggang sa muli, bye!